Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the mid of August, all right? So let's see what do you have in the middle of the month and what kind of energies you are attracting, what kind of messages, what is your next step towards your particular situation in which you are dealing with, all right? So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading, as you all know. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, now so let's proceed for my Cancerians. What do they have in the middle of the month? Middle of August for my Cancerians, please. Last shuffle. Okay, one more. Let's see. Just a second. Alright, so the main focus, your energies are the Magician over here. So might be a Gemini, you might be even a Gemini Cancer cusp, like coming in 22 23 of June month. Okay, so this is reading where this is a card where I'm seeing that you are manifesting something, some kind of happiness towards you, some kind of resolved issues. Basically, whatever you are dealing with, you are manifesting the good things, the positive things towards you, I'm seeing. But what is the issue? Why is the reason of this problem? If you are manifesting, that is for good. You are in this state, you are manifesting good. So why is this sun over here? So we'll clarify what is this issue with the sun. Your mind is telling you with the Knight of Cups, your mind is telling you that just move on slowly. You don't have to always be like a stubborn in every case. Sometimes you have to take step by step to attain something. That is what the Knight of Cups is telling me. Your past energies are the Three of Cups. You might be even with your in your past, there must be a reunion or something, some kind of when you settle, when you sit together and settle some issues, might be something like that, because right now you are manifesting your good positive side. So that is why this might be a reason as well, like with your friends, with your family, you had a good time. So that is what you are manifesting more towards you. Okay, so your the main reason of the reading is the Hermit over here. This is a Virgo card, but the energy is your over here, like you are going towards the soul searching kind of a thing. This is the reason, you really want. This is not being lonely, this is a card of aloneness. Okay, you are not alone, you're not lonely, you are, it's a process where you really want to be alone for some time, for some self searching, for some soul searching, where you really need to clarify some kind of thoughts, some kind of issues in your life. That is what the reason. Okay, so in your future, I'm seeing the Page of Pentacles. See, your cards are really very slow in nature. I'm not seeing fire and air. No, there are pentacles and cups over here only. So your energies are really, you are taking every step at a time at a very normal pace. You are not doing like, okay, I have to do that. You're not doing anything fast, neither anything is happening fast in your life. Everything is coming up slowly, it's going slowly. And that is what you are actually, in your future, I'm seeing that you might be even going back to your school life or some kind of institution, doing some kind of certification, doing some things like learning. I'm seeing that you are a lot in learning over here. So what do you want? You want to be the one, where you just want to be with yourself, you want to love yourself, you want to pamper yourself. You actually are in a zone where you are managing your mind and your heart together. That is what the strength is telling me. You are gaining some kind of courage You want that strength, you want that courage to face issues, to face problems in your life. That is what you want. People around you are the Six of Cups, so might be past people coming back in your life again and again, and you are just like in the middle of that thing as well. Universe is telling you with the Five of Pentacles that, sometimes you might even feel like you are alone, but sometimes it is needed to be alone to find some answers in your life, because your overall outcome is Two of Pentacles. I'm seeing you still, because of these past issues, I'm seeing that you might be even juggling with some problems, with issues like coming and going, coming and going. That is what is happening in your life. All right, so let's clarify. Why is the Magician over here? Okay, Page of Rods and Three of Cups. So see, you are manifesting some good people. I'm seeing that you are manifesting those people who have same mindset, with whom you can even sit, you can talk, you can you can have lunch, you can have food, whatever, and you can have drinks with those people. Basically, you are attracting like-minded people towards you. That is what I'm seeing over here, because with the Page of Rods as well over here, I'm seeing that you are new in this zone, in whichever might be a new field which you have entered, and you might even have there might be some kind of reunions where you are meeting some people, someone new, and that is actually, you might be even feeling that this person is very much, this person has a spark in himself in him or her. So that is what you are feeling, and you are really excited. I'm seeing that your present situation, whatever your situation is, I'm seeing that you are very positive, you are very optimistic over here. You are manifesting good things towards you. You are not manifesting bad things over here. So what is the issue over here? Why is the Sun over here? What is the issue? King of Swords and the World. Okay, so this is not a simple thing which is coming as an issue with the World and the Sun. It is like, this is a process from which you are going. This is a situation where things have to move on. The way they are moving, that they will never end, and that is the problem. Like, you are thinking that things will never end, but they are coming to an end. With the Sun and the World card, it's like coming to an end, but just be straightforward. Just enjoy your life, just be in present. No matter how many issues you are suffering from, how many things are going on in your life, it doesn't matter. All that matters is what you are manifesting towards you, what you actually are wanting, which thing you are taking action towards. Okay, with the King of Swords as well, I'm seeing that there are some strict decisions in your life which you really need to take, and that is the problem. Let's see, why is the Knight of Cups in your... Okay, ten of Swords and King of Rods and the 10 of Rods. Okay, so your energies, your mind is completely towards something to end. I'm seeing that you really want some things to end, because both are 10 and 10 of Wands with 10 of Swords. It's like you really want some things to end. That is what your mind is going towards. Your mind is really going towards that something might happen and it end fast, whatever the situation is. For some of you, I even see that your mind is in some kind of, I'm feeling that there was a connection with someone over here who was actually before the Knight of Cups. Somebody coming towards you, offering a cup of love and an offer of love, and then ending all of a sudden, ending the talks, ending, making you feel pressurized, making you feel like some kind of heaviness in your heart, and they actually leave you. That is what might be in your mind. Might be dealing with an Aries, Sagittarius or Leo over here, fire sign. But I'm seeing that there is some kind of heaviness, like your mind is not free. Your mind has a lot of things. You might be attracting positive things in your life, but your mind is somewhere, your mind is taking back to some person, or to some situation. Your past energies are okay. With Three of Cups, we have Nine of Wands and the Tower. So there might be some kind of an ending over here with the people whom you were dealing with, with whom you were happy. There was a reunion. There was something like everything was fine, but all of a sudden something happened, something ended over here. Somebody might have blocked you, somebody, put their guards down, or you might have put your guards down over here, but something got ended. But I'm seeing that you are not more in that energy. You really want that if these things were meant to end, okay, fine, that is in your mind, somewhere in your mind you have that thing, but your energies, your present is not, how you are behaving, that is actually opposite of that. You are manifesting good things in your life, you are manifesting the positive things in your life. The reason of the reading is the Hermit. Why is the Hermit here? 10 of Cups. Okay. So one more. All right. So the Sun, 6 of Swords, 10 of Cups, and the 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so this is the reason, family, work, moving on in your life, finding some, finding your soul. What do you actually want? What is the reason of your life? Why are you here? That is something, some kind of things are going on in your life. You really are finding the answers in your life, you just want to move on, and you really want to travel the world. You want to go to those places where you find peace, and you want to work, you want to be with your family. That is something, everything is interrelated basically. That is what, being a Cancer, you are like a very homely person, and that is what you just want to be happy, your family to be happy. You keep on working, I'm seeing that this is a simple life which you are actually, this is the reason of the reading, like the simplicity. You do not want to engage in the big stuff, but the problem is the big stuff. You are engaged in the big stuff. You don't want that. You want the simple life. What is your future card? With the Page of Pentacles, the Chariot, and 6 of Cups again. So these people who are around you, I'm seeing with the 6 of Cups in your other people's zone. 6 of Cups has again occurred over here. So I'm seeing that, while moving forward, there might be someone coming in your life from your past. Okay, and there will be a little like kind of a hello or how are you, that kind of an offer, like not a love offer I'm saying, but this is just a hi hello kind of a thing. Okay, so let's see why is the Strength over here in your what do you want energy. What else? So I really feel that, okay, so with the world, this whole bad process from which you are moving on, you really want to just, everything just takes a U-turn, just Wheel of Fortune. You want that the fortune favors you at this time, because you are in a very chaotic position. You are in a very chaotic situation right now, and you just want that fortune should favor you at this point, and that is why you're asking for strength and courage, that no matter how much problems you might have in your life, you just want that everything happens very easy going process. You don't want any more problems, issues in your life now. Why is the 6 of Cups over here in the other people's energy? The environment around my Cancerians, people around my Cancerians. It's a Star and 7 of Pentacles. So I am seeing that there is some kind of reconciliation, people want, basically. I'm not saying that it will happen, but there is a reconciliation from someone from the past, and long past, might be 5, 6, 7 years. Okay, so let's see now. What is the advice from the universe with the Five of Pentacles over here? King of Pentacles. Okay, so I saw Queen of Pentacles, so I'll take it. And I also saw Knight of Pentacles. So you have the Pentacles energy. You know what is the universe is telling you actually with all the 4 cards of Pentacles? The first card being the Five of Pentacles, the universe is telling you that you were actually alone for quite some time. There was some kind of aloneness, loneliness, where you were like everybody just leaves you at the end. You actually felt that is what the universe is telling you, but not anymore. See, this is such a beautiful 2 cards with the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles over here. Might be dealing, you might even have some Virgo or Taurus or Capricorn in your life, but this is some kind of stability as well. Universe is telling you you are manifesting positive things, so the positive things will come in your life. See, things will come late, okay, because a lot of Pentacles energy is here, and Pentacles energy, it takes years to build. I'm not giving you bad false hope. I'm just telling you what is in the cards. I'm just telling you that you are in that stage where you are growing, and you are growing within. This is not just growing, this is actually you are getting experience from the past lessons in your life. That is what the whole process is. This is the world. That is why the Wheel of Fortune is also here, because universe wants you to know some things. Knight of Pentacles, you are going to meet someone, I'm very much sure, somebody very stable just like you, because both this beautiful couple is here, but it will take some time. All right, so just be patient and move on in your life the way you are doing. All right, so with the Two of Pentacles at the end, your so many pentacles, oh my god. What else do we have with the Page of Pentacles? Okay, so Page of Pentacles was your future and energy as well as the final outcome. So I'm feeling that whatever offer is coming to you from your past, you might have even this person might have even talked to you, or you're moving in circles with this person, might be. What else do we have? Judgment. See, so final call is coming up. It's you who are going to take a step now. No one else, nobody, not your family, not your friends, not your lover, no one. It's you who are going to take a step forward. Alright, concealers, so that's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.